Hello dear students, you all are heartily welcome in Omkar English Medium School's digital classroom, and I Tushar Joshi again welcome you in Joshi's online study hub. In my previous lecture I have uploaded two questions, one video, two questions, question number first and second, which have represented the first and second type of construction 11.2. As we have discussed in 11.2 exercise, there are totally 3 types of construction. Out of that 3 types, 2 types I have already completed. In my previous lecture that I have uploaded, then if you haven't seen that lecture, then you should see that lecture first, because here in this lecture, in this video, I am going to explain you, I am going to start the third question, means question number 4, but the third type. Okay, the last type of the construction. Then this question, then this exercise will over, because 1/5 question is there, which is so easy and so small. And then these things which I have taught you here, that will become very much useful for you in next year, means in 10th standard. Then fourth type, third type, and the fourth question here as I have written, okay, that I am going to explain you. Question number third is as it is of question number second. So question number third you people have to solve yourself, and if you people are getting some difficulty any type of, then you can contact me anytime. Now fourth question, let me start here. In this type, base angle they will give, and we have to construct that sum of the 3 sides should be particular. For example, sum of the 3 sides means xy plus yz plus zx is equal to, for example, 11 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 15.5 centimeter. Okay, so that type of construction we have to get. The length of base they will give, 2 angles they will give. Okay, so then let us see the question. It says here, it is written, fourth question, construct a triangle xyz which y is equal to 30, z is equal to 90. Okay, this data I am going to write here. Okay, xyz you have to construct, xyz you have to construct where angle y is equal to 30 degree and angle z is equal to 90 degree. 3 sides, sum of 3 sides means xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 11 centimeter. Okay, is equal to 11 centimeter. Now here white spot you people are getting, so now I will not write these things now here. Okay, I will draw construction in this part so you people can see it clearly. Now what to do here? First, this base is okay, sum of 3 sides is given, then that sum of 3 sides we have to consider base. Sum of 3 sides we have to consider base, means 11 centimeter base we will construct first. Okay, then now see, 11 centimeters base I am going to draw. Okay, here you people can see I have drawn base which is 11 centimeter. Now 2 angles we have to construct. Now it's clearly appear. Okay, 2 angles we have to construct. As you can see, y 30, z 90. Okay, then y 30, z 90. So this is y and z. Okay, this base is your y and z. Now y 30 degree, z 90 degree, that type of we have to construct. Then now you all know how to construct this angle. So without wasting any time, I will just fast I will draw this triangle. So means these angles I will draw fast. Okay, now I will not explain what to do and what not to do. Then here first I will draw 30 degree. So that is very much easy. Okay, now pointer is on another end, more than half radius, semicircle. Okay, semicircle. This is 60. Its bisector is 30. Okay, so bisector almost here we will get. Yes. Okay, that is 30 degree. So we can get this triangle, this angle 30 degree. Okay, here means this is our 30 degree angle. Okay, now we have to construct 90 degrees. So for that, what we should do, again more than half radius, semicircle. Okay, now this is 60, this is 120, bisector of 120 and 60 is 90. Okay, so this is our 90 degree. This is our 90 degree. Okay, okay, see, this is our 90 degree. Then a right triangle we have got here. Okay, but this is not x, this is not xyz triangle. Don't tell it xyz, because in question it is given z90, y30, xyz you have to get. So this is not your required triangle. Any other name you people can give. Okay, for example, let it called P. And if you will not join this all sides, then also it is okay. એવું રિક્વાયર્ડ નથી કે આવો રાઇટ એંગલ ટ્રાયેંગલ બનાવી નાખો, સાઇડ્સ જે છે તે બધી જોઈન કરી નાખવી, એવું નથી, બરાબર. ખાલી આટલું તમે કરેલું હશે તો પણ ચાલશે, because this is not our main triangle. Then now what to do? Its bisector we have to find. Which bisector? This main triangle's bisector we have to find. Means this is already 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree. So 30th bisector we have to find, and 90th bisector also we have to find here. If you observe in three of the types, our all construction totally depends on bisector only. Our all constructions totally depend on bisector only. See, in first question what we have done? Base done, we have drawn the base, then angle we have drawn. Okay, then જે question માં length આપી હતી, that length we have taken, and we have joined it with another end and bisector, and with bisector we have joined the another points. In same second question also we have done, and in this question also we will do the same thing. We will repeat the same procedure. Means this all depends totally on bisector. Okay, then now here, now what to do? 30th bisector is 15 degrees, so its bisector we have to draw first. Okay, then this angle's bisector, 30 degrees bisector, again 15 degree we have to draw. But here you have to must consider, you have to must know that so many arcs are here, so don't be confused within this so many arcs. ઘણા બધા આર્ક્સ થઈ ગયા છે, બરાબર, તો મિક્સ ન થઈ જાય, ધ્યાન રાખજો. Then its bisector we will draw. Okay, this is because 30 degrees, so without changing radius, this is 15. એટલે જો જે 30 અને 90 હતું એના પાછા આપણે બાયસેક્ટર ફાઇન્ડ કરવાના. Which measurement is given here, its bisector again we have to find. So that is our 15 degree, and 90th bisector also we have to find. So 90th bisector is 45. Okay, So this is 45 degree. Okay, this is 45 degree. And now we have to call it first of all 1 meter, it was actually my mistake. You don't have to call it YZ. અને કોઈ પણ નામ આપી દો, P છે ને Q અને R કહી દેજો. And this is your X. Now call it X. Okay. PQR. From the PQR we will get XYZ. From the PQR we will get XYZ. Actually first base which I have drawn na 11 centimeter. So by mistake actually I have given that name X and Y. Which triangle we have to construct, actually that name you don't have to give. Means that was your not X and Y, any other name you can give. For example, as I have given here Q and R. Okay. So this is your PQR, and from the PQR we will get XYZ. Then as you can see here, okay, this is our X. X point મળી ગયો. Now remaining 2 points we have to find. How we will find? Again bisector. કીધું ને bisector ઉપર જ આખું ચાલશે. Again bisector Q and X. Now bisector of Q and X here we have to find. So we will get na almost આટલામાં ક્યાંક આપણને મળશે. And again the bisector of X and Y we have to find. Okay, bisector of X and Y, and that both point we have to join. Let me do it. Okay, bisector of Q and X, then more than half radius, same procedure. Okay, so one I will get, yes, here. મેં કીધું ભાઈ ઘણા બધા આર્ટ્સ છે, મિક્સ થઈ જશે, ધ્યાન રાખજો. Okay, one here, and again one point we will get here and one here. Yes, again because here so many arcs are there, so arcs will be mixed up. You should careful. Yes. Okay, so this one is, I am now using black pen, okay, so that you people can clearly identify. So this is our bisector of PQ, and let call it Y. એને Y કહેવાનો છે ભાઈ. Let call it Y. Let me write in big font. Let call it Y. Okay, that is your Y. And now again bisector of X and R you have to find, and that will be your Z. Okay, then again the last step, more than half radius, more than half radius. Okay, one arc top side, one arc down side, one arc top side. Okay, this side, one arc down side. Okay, this side. From another end, one arc again top side, one arc down side. Okay, one arc top side, one down side. So from this both intersecting points you have to draw one more arc. Again using black pen I am going to draw. That is, okay, that is your this point, and it's called, you have to call it Z. Okay, this is your Z. See, this is your Z, this is your Y, this is your Z, this is your X, and now it's time to give a final Midas touch. These points you have to join. X and this intersecting point you have to join. Okay, X and this intersecting point you have to join. That is, now again X and this intersecting point you have to join. Means Z point you have to join. And as you can see here, okay, triangle XYZ, that is clearly now you people can see here, that is your required triangle. And if you will add XY plus YZ plus ZX, then 11 centimeter you will get now. See, I have highlighted this triangle again. Let me make it bold. Okay, this is your required triangle. Okay, this is your required triangle. Okay, X, Y, Z. This is your final triangle. Then what to do here? First of all, this total which is given, that much you people have to draw the base. Let see, I am repeating these things. Within a 1 minute I will explain this full procedure again. So which total is given, that you have to draw here, that is base, but not your X and Y, some other name you people can give. For example, I have given here Q and R. Then which angle they have asked here, 30 degree and 90 degree, so that much angle you people have to draw. Okay, I have drawn here 30 degree, here see this is your 30 degree, QP, angle PQR is 30 degree, and this is your 90 degree, but that is not your required triangle. Okay, its bisector you have to find. So 30 bisector is 15 degree and 45 degree, and here which point you will get, it's called, you have to call it X. And again its bisector you have to find. Which bisector? XQ and XR, its bisector again you have to find, and that intersecting point you have to call Y and Z. Okay, you have to call Y and Z, and that point XY and XZ you have to join, and then finally right triangle. Which triangle? Right triangle XYZ you people will get. Okay, so this is your construction, and now points of construction. It's time to write points of construction. Okay, so that is very much easy. What you have done, that you have to write. Okay, without wasting such a time, I will just write down the main steps. Okay, so that for that I will rough all these things. Now steps. Okay, actually these steps you have to write in your language. What you have done, that you have to write. Okay, then first draw base. Okay, QR, line segment QR is equal to 11 centimeter. Next, draw angle PQR. PQR is equal to 30 degree. Don't have to perform, don't have to show how 30 degree you have got 60, it's bisect 30, it's not like that. Directly point to point you have to go, you have to write, draw 30 degree. Okay, then now third, draw PRQ. Angle PRQ is equal to 90 degree. Again draw its bisector. Okay, draw bisector of angle PQR. PQR is equal to 15 degree. Again same thing, draw bisector of angle PRQ. PRQ is equal to 45 degree. Again draw bisector of line segment XQ. You are seeing now, such a easy steps, really it is. Here nothing we have to draw something new. What we have done, that we have to write. Okay, then draw bisector of QX. Bisector of line segment QX is equal to any name you can give. For example, let it called line L. Okay, line L, and say it Y, and say intersecting point. Okay, say intersecting points is equal to Y. Next, draw bisector of XR. Okay, draw bisector of XR, bisector of line segment XR is equal to, again such a new name you can give for to this line. Let's call it M. Okay, line M. This is line, this is not line segment, line M, and say intersecting point. Okay, intersecting point is equal to Z. Okay, is equal to Z. Now join point XY and XZ, the last step. Okay, 8-1, join line segment XY and line segment, join point X and Y and point X and Z. Join point X and Y, X and Y, as well as, okay, as well as X and Z. And the last one, yes, you people can see, okay, XYZ. Okay, triangle XYZ is required triangle. Okay, is your required triangle. Okay, so these are the steps of construction, and the justification part is really so easy. Okay, then justification, now you have to write yourself. That is so easy. You have to write P base QR. Okay, I am just saying you have to write base QR is equal to 11 centimeter. Angle XQR is equal to 30 half 15 centimeter, as well as angle XRQ 90 is half 45 centimeter. So that XY plus YZ plus ZX is equal to 11 centimeter. Okay, this thing you people have to write. Actually, see, always justification part always small. Okay, and as I said, if you have done these things properly, so generally nobody see these things. Okay, but then also we have to write properly. Okay, so this was the last type, question number 4th. I have tried my best to explain you people. Okay, now if you people have really enjoyed this video, okay, then tune with us. We will meet in next lecture, in next video soon, and the last type we will complete. Actually all types are complete, but now last question, 5th question we will complete. That is also so easy, and that we will complete, and as well as we will complete this chapter, chapter number 11 construction we will complete, okay, in our next lecture. Then stay with us, tune with us, connect with us, and let's meet in next lecture. Thank you.